Go ahead, bird. Come on.
Chirp, chirp.
That was a terrible bird. I've heard many birds, and that was not even close
Whatever.
to a bird.
Get the fuck over it. Shut the fuck up, Tonic.
I'm not gonna
So,
get. Well,
this
it's
is the
snake.
thing, dude.
It's hey,
You got
snake waifu. It's snake
Ken,
waifu.
you gonna mute this fuck?
Yeah, calm down, Tonic. Hold on.
Okay. Sorry.
God damn.
Hey, it's not gonna
Yeah, it's not. But Tonic could deserve a punch to the fucking face right now, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, he did. Yeah,
Back
no.
to my point, dude. You have two
He's a
bounty
troll.
hunters that are
Calm
pretty
down.
much dressed like fucking security officers, right? Those security officers ultimately are impersonating fucking officers, dude, and have their fucking guns drawn at a fucking house.